Okay, this is soft polenta with some lovely 3 different types of mushrooms. We've got chestnut mushrooms, king browns, and some chimichurri, and it's going with truffle pecorino and some hazelnuts with herbs and parsley. So first of all, I've got this is an instant cornmeal, it's a polenta. So I've just got some milk on with some seasoning in it. I'll just gently pour that in so it thickens. And this takes about 3 minutes to cook, so not too long. So I've got a screaming hot pan here that's on the go. A good old olive oil. So I'm just going to put the chimichurris in. The king browns, I'll just put the slice down the middle. King browns are lovely. They're almost like a porcini. They just soak up so much flavour. So there's the mushrooms in the pan. Butter to the polenta. And also another butter in the mushrooms. We've got some garlic that's going to go in. And we've got some thyme. And some oregano. So polenta's looking good. Mushrooms are good. So we'll season them. A little bit of crunch at the end. I've got some lovely fresh hazelnuts. So I'm just going to cut these as well. These are looking good. The king browns take quite a bit of cooking. They'll happily tick away for half an hour at low heat. So parsley, as always. Put this in right at the very last minute. Okay, so I'll add the parsley to the mushrooms. So they're looking pretty good now. So we've got a nice piece of polenta in the middle of the plate. And then we've got the lovely mushrooms. A few of them in the middle. So we've got a few of the hazelnuts for that little bit of crunch. Got the truffle pecorino, which is beautiful with the fresh truffle through it. But just to finish that off, a few more hazelnuts, a bit of olive oil around the outside, and then what I do have is a fig balsamic. It's just delicious. It's a local value. So just a tiny bit of that on top, and that will the sweetness of that, the figs, will make that just delicious. So that is the polenta with the mushrooms, hazelnuts, truffle pecorino, and stunning Pinot Noir from the Hunter.